Whether you're looking for some new clothing to design and sell, or you simply want a new and stylish way to stay comfortable at home, you don't want to miss out on this trendy and classic style. What is up, merch masterminds? It's Carter from Awkward Styles, and today I'm presenting you with the Lane 7 hooded sweatshirt and joggers lounge set. A cozy classic that's made for all day, everyday wear, offering maximum comfort and street-worthy style. If you're looking for a stylish and comfy canvas to showcase your designs, the unisex hooded sweatshirt from Lane 7 is the perfect piece. The set comes with a matching pair of joggers, making it perfect for both lazy days at home and casual outings. And with a relaxed fit and ultra soft fabric, it's sure to become one of your customers' new favorites. The Lane 7 hoodie and fleece joggers that comprise this set are the LS 14001 and LST 006 respectively, which create a perfect match. They are made up of 80% ring-spun cotton and 20% polyester blend, providing a comfortable and durable fabric. They're mid-weight garments leaning towards the heavy side, with a fabric weight of 8.2 ounces per square yard, allowing substantial warmth and durability. Made from super soft 3N fleece, the hooded sweatshirt indulges you in a luxurious feel, while the joggers provide the same level of comfort with their matching 3N fleece. The hoodie offers a relaxed and spacious unisex fit for maximum comfort and freedom of movement, while the joggers feature an improved, slimmer unisex fit, offering a more tailored and modern look. The top of the set showcases 1x1 ribbing at the sleeve, cuff, and waistband, adding a stylish and snug touch. It features a hood with adjustable drawstrings, allowing for a personalized fit and style, as well as a spacious kangaroo pouch pocket to keep your hands warm and store your essentials. Neck tape covers the neck seam, stabilizing the back of the garment, and its tearaway label allows for easy removal and customization. The bottom of the set is designed with ribbed bottom cuff and waistband, ensuring a secure and comfortable fit. It includes a drawstring waist, allowing for adjustable and personalized comfort. Two side pockets and a back pocket allow you to conveniently store your essentials. A gusset is incorporated into the design, giving the joggers a drop crotch feel and added comfort. And side seams contribute to the structural support of the garment. The joggers also feature an easy tearaway label. But if hoodies aren't quite your thing, or you're looking for something maybe a little more sleek, we also offer a Lane 7 unisex crewneck sweatshirt lounge set available on awkwardstyles.com. At Awkward Styles, you can customize your Lane 7 lounge set with a design on the front and the back of the hoodie, which we print using direct-to-garment printing and eco-friendly water-based inks. DTG printing ensures exceptional print quality with vivid colors, making your design stand out on many different fabrics. You can also order blank products, which are sourced from different reliable locations, ensuring consistent quality and production standards. Now, an aspect that is important for many shoppers and sellers alike, especially with today's climate literally changing, is to find a sustainability-minded manufacturer. Lane 7 is committed to designing more sustainable products with more environmentally friendly fibers and processes. In 2021, they recycled 18 million plastic bottles in their knitting of their fleece, of which 80% is produced in plants powered by renewable energy. They've also introduced water-saving techniques in the dyeing process of their fleece, saving 48 million liters in the past year. Find this Lane 7 lounge set at awkwardstyles.com in sizes ranging from small to 2XL and in colors black, charcoal heather, heather gray, and red. You can make this set your own, customizing it with your designs for as low as $31.95 with the Awkward Styles Pro plan. Or simply order your lounge set blanks for as low as $27.14 with the Pro plan. That's all for today's review. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and let us know down in the comments what you think of this set and if there's another product from our catalog that you'd like us to review. Thank you so much for watching, and happy selling. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and guides to get you started selling with Awkward Styles. Is there something that we haven't covered yet? Let us know in the comments below. See you next time.